All right, y'all. We're doing the biscuit test I told y'all about in the other video. We've got just the regular setup with the heat deflector in here and just a regular stack. So we're not going to do the 3 different ways today. We'll do another video with a 24-inch extension on there. But for today, we're going to test out the regular setup and then that stack extension, which is right around 15 or 16 inches, but it makes it a total stack height of 30 inches. So let's get these biscuits put on the pits up to temp and we'll get it going. That's not good.
Uh-oh.
It's all right, leave it be, it's hot.
I got it. Where does it
Come
go?
over here, Mackenzie.
Where does it go?
Just leave it be for a second.
Okay.
You can back up just a little bit. So we're going to put some right over here over the heat deflector.
It turned off.
It's fine. It's still recording.
Okay. Can I put that on, Daddy?
Yeah, bud. Put it just in line with this one right there. Yep, just like that.
I'm not putting one on because I'm holding the camera.
Oh,
Get some smoke in your eyes.
tons of smoke.
Can I feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a little weird.
Put one more right there, bud.
That's weird.
Okay. All right, so we've got it lined up from about end to end.
Move.
It's pretty close. Rowdy, move, please. And so you can see we've got the heat deflector in and the regular stack height, and we'll just give it about 20 or 30 minutes and see how long it takes to cook these biscuits through and see how even they do on just a regular setup. All right, so we've got these first round of biscuits done up here. As you can see, this end definitely has a hot spot on it. These are a lot more done, especially on the bottom. These all feel pretty similar. Ooh, they're hot. They're all very similar. I mean, almost across this whole thing, but then again, like I said, we've got this really good hot spot right here. So
May I feel them?
yeah. We're gonna get these off and actually, all right, so let's get one. This is first.
Oh, they're hot.
Can I get this one?
Hold on, buddy.
Well, they're not as hot as I thought
Yeah,
they
you can
were.
grab it, but it's hot.
No, I'm not gonna grab it.
Okay.
They're
so,
not as hot as I
here,
thought
let's
they
shut
were.
this back up for just a second.
Daddy.
All right, hold on, baby. Look. All right, so as far as doneness, that was the out of the hot spot, and then we're gonna work our way back. That one's
They smell good.
These are about the same.
They smell good.
About the same. Whew, about the same. And they're about the same. So we're pretty even cooking through most of this cook chamber, except for the very end. There's that hot spot, but the doneness is very similar all throughout the whole thing, but on this left hand side close to the exhaust, and that's with the heat deflector plate in there. So that heat deflector does a pretty good job of managing your heat across this cook chamber. But now we're going to put on the stack extension and take the heat deflector plate out and see what that does. All right, so it's time for the second set of biscuits to go in. We've got the smokestack extension on. We're still running about the same temperature. We did take the heat deflector plate out. Speaking of, don't touch it with your foot, it's still hot.
Okay.
Okay? So,
Can we
line these up kind of just like we did earlier. Rowdy, come around here so you can see. We're gonna get some right over the heat exchange here. And just kind of line them up as we go, checking our hot spots.
Can I put one in?
Yeah, just a second.
Is this hot?
It could be. So you want to put the last 2 in over here? Line them up. go.
Can we tell them
All
that
right.
the biscuits were really
Yes, the kids want to tell you.
2, 1.
They're so good.
We taste tested a couple of these smoked biscuits and they actually do taste really good. So we'll bring y'all back here in about 15 minutes when these biscuits are done.
Yummy.
All right, it's time to take these off. And just by looking at them,
Yumminess.
it looks like this end's definitely still got a hot spot on it.
Again.
But we're gonna kind of see
Yeah,
how they go in order here.
Let's show them the bottom
As
side
far
of
as
one of them.
doneness.
Let's show them the bottom side
Okay,
of
son,
one.
hold on.
Okay. So there he is.
So you can kind of see these are definitely more done down here towards the smokestack. The doneness, they're done pretty well.
Hot.
Yeah, they're hot. Yeah, they're all cooked through so far. Where are you going? They're all cooked through, but I was hoping it would suck the heat out a little bit more and get rid of some of that hot spot, but it definitely doesn't. So I don't know if because this cooker doesn't have, the smoker doesn't have a actual smoke collector out here on the end like some of the higher end ones do, if you'll ever completely get rid of that hot spot right there. I mean, as long as you know that this is your hotter side of the cooker, it's not a big deal, because sometimes you want to cook a little bit hotter and sometimes you want to cook a little bit slower, but definitely it's pretty even all throughout until you get over here into this last about third or quarter of the cook chamber. And that was raw heat coming through here. There was no heat deflector in there, so that stack extension, what it does do is make my fire burn more efficiently. I have noticed that I get a cleaner smoke when I do use that, but it doesn't change where the hot spot is. It doesn't suck the air out any quicker to stop that hot spot. I think the only way you could really avoid that is welding on a smoke collector out here and changing your stack. But I haven't had any problems out of this smoker. Everything I've cooked so far comes out, I mean, absolutely awesome. This was just a fun little science experiment for me and the kids to do, and we have had fun doing that today. But we're going to get some Conica sausage put on there and cook some dinner. There's no need to waste a fire. So we're gonna get this pit heated back up, and then we'll throw this meat on there for dinner. But the biscuit test turned out good. The kids enjoyed eating the science experiment, so it was a good test. They like these smoked biscuits. They do taste pretty good. But
I haven't tasted.
I hope y'all have fun today, and check back in with us. If you got any questions, just ask me down in the comments, and I get back to you pretty quick on those. So have a great day and enjoy this video. And like I said, I'll probably do another video with a 24-inch extension on there, see if that pulls any of that hot spot out of there. I'm not quite sure it will, but this was fun. It's fun to try different stuff and have fun with your kids. Anyways, have a great day. Stay blessed.